We're going to take the film out of this Portra 800 box. We're going to load it in a couple cameras, and I'm going to show you some sample photos taken on this film stock so you know what to expect from it. To open up the box, we're going to come over here to this end of the box and pull the tab open and rip the tab off. That way, if you have a memo holder on the back of your camera like this, you can slide the tab into that memo holder and know what type of film you're using while you're taking photos. We're going to take the tub and the cassette out. There are two types of cameras that take film. One of them has an automatic film advance. So if your camera has an automatic film advance like this one does, simply drop the cassette into the cassette chamber over here, pull out a leader until the end of the leader lines up with the orange index on this side, and close the back of your camera. The film will then automatically advance or advance while you take photos. Some cameras like this have silver contacts over here inside of the film chamber that read the DX code on this film. This camera does not. For cameras that have those contacts, it will know how fast your film is. If your camera does not have those contacts, be sure to set your film speed on your camera. This is an 800 ISO film. ISO and ASA are the same, so set your speed to 800. For cameras that have a manual advance like this one does, open up the back of the camera, drop the cassette into the cassette chamber and push the forks in place. Take the leader and put it into the take-up spool on this side and hold your finger over the sprockets. Then advance the film once. You can now close the back of the camera. Advance to frame number 1, set your film speed to 800 ISO, which is also 800 ASA. Here are some photos taken with Portra 800 so you know what to expect from this film stock.